Now, your SkyWarn 13 weather forecast.
Welcome back. 5:43 right now, and we've been spoiled with some very warm mornings as of late, but this pretty much where we should be. Now, all of that to say, it may feel a little chilly when you head out the door this morning. 30 degrees in Eau Claire, 29 in Hayward. Now, we do have these winds that are, well, relative to yesterday, rather light out of the northwest, mostly between about 5 to 15 miles per hour. And this is pretty much where we're expecting them to hang out for most of the day. Now, at the moment, we do have rather clear skies, a few clouds hanging out towards Lake Superior, but we will have a few clouds rolling in later on this afternoon after having some sunshine throughout the morning. So I want to take a look at our upper level flow. Our weather for today and, well, going into most of the day tomorrow is going to be rather quiet as we have this zonal flow, again, that west to east orientation. Towards our south, we do have some very warm temperatures, but I want to focus on what's going over the Pacific Northwest right now. You see this cutoff low that, well, right about by Seattle now, and this trough that's associated with that. This is going to continue pushing off towards the east, and you can see this very cold air towards Western Canada. Well, that is what's going to be heading our way in the coming days. Now, the next few out ahead of this trough are going to be rather warm. However, once that does work its way overhead, that's where we're going to have quite a cool down heading our way. So going through today, again, we're starting off with some sunshine, but a few clouds will roll in ahead of our next low pressure system that will bring chances for some showers going into tomorrow afternoon. But for today, staying dry, though we'll have a good bit of cloud cover. Through the overnight, may even clear out a little bit briefly before more clouds start to stream in going into tomorrow as well. Again, most of Election Day is expected to stay dry. We may even have a few peaks of sunshine. However, going right around the time that the polls close, especially a little bit further towards the northwest, this is where we'll have a better chance at some of those showers. Now, also notice that our winds mostly out of the southeast, that's going to help bring in some warmer air despite the fact that we do have a good bit of cloud cover going into tomorrow. Now, tomorrow night into Wednesday morning, we'll still continue on with those on and off chances at some showers. And then going into Wednesday afternoon, still hanging out with a good bit of cloud cover, scattered showers, and southerly flow really helping to add to those warmer temperatures. For today, mostly into the mid-40s. Again, this is just a few degrees shy of our seasonal averages before later on tonight. A lot of us dipping to around the freezing point. A few places up towards Highway 8 may dip into the upper 20s. Now check this out. This is a 6 to 10 day temperature outlook, and really most of the lower 48 expected to hang out below average towards the middle of November, especially towards our neck of the woods. We have a very good chance at hanging out below average, and that's reflected on our 7 days. So again, going into Wednesday, we still warm up possibly into the low 60s. Thursday's another warm one in its own right, but that's when we have that cold front moving through. And look at what happens going into Friday. Mid-30s for our highs. Chance for even a few snowflakes and some flurries going into Saturday as well, with highs, although mostly hang out into the upper 20s.
Well, how many